How to fix network cable unplugged error in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your network cable unplugged error in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just simply go with search. And under search, you need to search for view network connections. Under that here, you will have your network connection, right? Which is Ethernet. So you just need to simply click on it. Right click on that, go with properties. And here you will have an option of QoS packet scheduler and go with configure and click on yes. Once you click on yes, you need to go with the advanced section. Now under advanced, you need to go with an option of speed and duplex. Go with the value and make sure that you have 100 Mbps, half duplex. Go with OK and your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then go with the same interface and go with the advanced section and again choose speed and duplex and then now select 10 Mbps. Once you've selected, go with OK, and after that your problem might be fixed. But if that still again doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go with search and search for CMD. Go with run as administrator and click on yes, and here you need to enter a command which is ipconfig space / flush DNS and then hit the enter. And the next command is netsh space winsock space reset and then hit the enter. And after that, restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your network cable unplugged error in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.